Chapter 2, Forest and Wildlife Resources. Hey, chapter I home ding a point more importance of forests, types of forests in India, consequences of deforestation, wildlife, its importance and conservation. Amasapena yen importance of forests. Forest is gamang china here pawa tom kimina hiat tumle achile gammanga sing teloi aikele vasa gamsai chiteloi forest in natural habitat provide ahia why teloi mihinga de poi mo manaman phathe aman phat now a importance teo point khatina yen subdingwa amasapena timber chichanga inlam na ding bangai kele furniture bola dinga singi pukte singi lak teloi timber kachia timber lang na ding bangai kele firewood holding singte I get medicinal plants dam doya zat ding low hing khen khat lang na ding banga forest low hing I get low te medicinal purpose as a thei ding bang gamla katam pi ki muthei raw materials for industry are all are obtained from forest teng forest akipan kilakhe thei ki obtained here aman phadan point number 1. Point number 2, it provides natural habitat to a variety of wildlife. Point number 2 again changa gamsa wildlife gamla ka saum teng vasa hina gamsai tale white the forest kichipen amau in a natural habitat ahim. Point humna, it helps in checking soil erosion and air pollution. Soil erosion ichi changa wa onjuk changa lui teloina lay top layer of the soil teloi onto atwa hiateu ha soil erosion a phenomenon pen soil erosion akichiam why soil erosion pen bangchidana ham thei check thei a hiam ichi changa singkung teloina singkung atam changa bangching zulele a top layer of soil pen kha nang thei jaga kha it helps in checking soil erosion. Air pollution bangchana ham thei check thei no na hiam ichi changa ithe sama banga singkung ina carbon dioxide hi blutina oxygen pekhia why tung to na environment atmosphere pen kha purifier role play gi jaka it helps in checking air pollution bana a point joma yet non le it also helps in facilitating water cycle ki chi ithe isama banga yei water cycle ki chi pen kha forest na facilitate ahim bangchana facilitate cha waon juk chenga wa malteloi singkung na ana bangzaem ki khol khomina nion sat chang wai sing te a wa tuiteloi evaporate tu huon swakena leng to wina hui khwa mei cloud non ki form a white cloud te tu yang ju suknon wa tu yang ju suknon e pen kha water cycle a it wai za ka forest na water cycle pen nak ta ka facilitate hi in short, forest helps in maintaining ecological balance. Ecological balance ki chipen nature ecological balance ki chipen forest na maintain to gige tuna forest gamla ka singkung te phugle water cycle bangon on ginalo ding soil erosion chi bang tam tak mun tam tak kangom ding huite bahon nin gige di hey pen a balance to pen forest ani hi gige ai achile in the types of forest in the India forest types stay in Diwa. From an administrative point of view, Indian forest can be classified into 3 categories. They are reserve, protected, and unclassed forest. Amasapen, reserve forest and non-due. Reserve forest is bang forest here. These are permanent forest estate reserved for producing timber and other forest produces. Reserve forest is like permanent forest. Ahiam yei permanent forest loi banga ki reserve hiam chile timber lang na ding le forest product tom lang na ding a government na a reserve hi why jakma taka yei reserve forest unga gun khoi grazing of animals aikele low farming chite kham big big ahim yei reserve forest na 53% of the total forest area covers over here accounts. It accounts for 53% of the total forest area in India. Ani na category ni na yin non diwa protected forest. Protected forest chi bang forest hiam. They are also permanent forest estate. Point number 1 reserve forest ma banga permanent forest. Ile akibat lo na ile reserve forest gunvul grazing of cattle like farming chi de kham big bag ayanga protected forest mun khen khata grazing of cattle to bana lo kho cultivation chi pen phalahi protected forest loina they account for almost 29% of the total forest area in the country. Point number 2 unclassed forest. Unclassed forest is bangiam. This include wasteland that belong to the government, private individuals and communities. Yai unclassed forest is ki categorized thelo, ki class thelo forest in ahiam. Why to loy bangja ki class thelo, ki categorized thelo yam chile wasteland hi ja. Munzat lo, gamzat lo. Why gamzat lo government alay the, mi malalay the, ay communities alay the. Yai gamzat lo te teng kha India wasteland akichia yai wasteland te aki class thelo jaka unclassed forest category nwaya ki guanglu ta hi. They are the worst type of forest. Worst type akichia bang jaka worst type chiam chile bang ma produce thelo bang ma kizang thelo jaka worst type of forest akichia hi. They account for 18% of the total forest area in India. Forest types in kinwa tuna consequences of deforestation. Forest aman phadan den lamina tom kimna igen tawa achile bangon tungding ai ke banga a consequence ding forest singom te i conserve lo wa is iphu wale deforestation. Consequences of deforestation in sumnondingwa. Point number 1 point number khatna it affect the lives of the people who directly depend on forest. Forest gamlak mi tamzo mi bangsayam gamlak aki depend a livelihood ade ki depend ai kele adam theina di ki depend ai ke spiritual ki depend bangle tampio mai India wai te loi ama sa pena effect ma sa pen de he deforestation honomle wai te loi na anek le ta ko asile te no ai kele thil apoimo te forest derive here forest in provide ye jaka why forest pen forest singom te phugya mai kele forest area pen sutoble why te loi ahin khwau effect mas pen ding hi bana ni na deforestation induced flood. Deforestation on tamluat changa India flood kichi bangle nasataka tungi ge tuilian tuichi michi bang omthe hi bang jaka tuichi momthe hi am chi neng chicken gen non de singkung phuk jaka bang jaka tuichi mon tung the hi am wa on juk changa gamla ka singkung tampi omai jaka wa singkung te jaka wa tui leilak direct atulo wahin wa tui bangsa yam singkung na pate ten anana hun chen why na pate te de lamai gen dan dewa neon sa changa tu hiwa hui khwang leng to cloud tong ki form water cycle den again dan deu why jaka singkung atam le wa tui teng le atulo wai jaka atui chim tung sak tu di flat tung thelo ai anga singkung te phuk changa wa tui teng le direct tung tuai jaka tui chi mon tung the ai. Point number 3 na poverty and health problems are the direct outcome of deforestation. Poverty and health problem zone nale dam thelo na direct outcome of deforestation akichia bangja ka zone nang tung thei sing phuk jaka bangja ka zone nang tung thei ichile sap thu pilai china ki gena health is wealth dam thei na chu house na hi akichia singkung te yon phuk changa air pollution bangon sang ye hi ai kile environmental degradation to am to manon tung thei o wai te yon tung changa hui dik te yon siang lo cha mi ki dam thei lo hi pa mi hi dam thei lo changa ine le go te ki man so athe why jak taka poverty and health problems are the direct outcome of deforestation akichi hi achile wildlife yan sumon dingwa wildlife bangiam chile gamla ka kwa mana vul lawa nature gamsa teloi wildlife ki chi hi achile India wildlife to kisaya India wildlife ne resources ne hoi ma 65,000 species of both animals and birds are found in India. Species tuam sarchi tuam vasarchi tuam aki gom koma 65,000 vel tung zawahi. Hilale apoima amachu there has been a decline in wildlife population in India due to habitat destruction, hunting, poaching, etc. The habitat destruction for deforestation. Deforestation jiaka ikele gamsa iha bet what jiak ikele poaching phalna government na kham gamsa mat lo ding sabeng lo di chak akham pen akham ngai lowa sava beng te poaching government phalna bea gamsa beng yei teng jiaka wildlife population pen kha akuma kiam ya yain ei te den che again subject non dingwa wildlife conservation in dingwa achile Indian 65,000 species of both animals and birds neya hile neya hiya ane hoi ma wildlife resource ne hoi ma chi the ile bangja ka conservation of wildlife poimo hiam chi le denlamai gen da population kumtenga kiam ya ani kha kiam ya jaka government hi taina mi pite hile I conserve dio poimo ma him wait loi bangchana conserve ding government bangchana panla hiam chi non le number 1 banning hunting akicha hunting kichi gambak sabeng chi loi kham big big ding number 2 na restricting trade in wildlife restricting trade in wildlife chi changa mi khen khatai kil organization khen khatina wildlife in gam khen khatina a wildlife de te akham big big loi mana ai kele avun de izyagia ma ke agu de izyagia trade sum zon na zat pen wai pen kha kham big big ding restricting chi aim number 2 na in non le setting up national parks and wildlife sanctuaries across the country achiam Indian government na wildlife conserve thina dinga step poimo ni mama ni hi chu national parks gam khen khat mun khen khat gam saw ma hi a population to ma hi ke a population be thi di chi ala uzya kwa forest area khen khat national parks are phwang set up bana waikele lo wildlife sanctuaries yaiteng kha India government pan alag dan wildlife conserve thina dia pan alag dan ti hi